Welcome to PowerTool Safe. Today we're going to show you how to create records of existing tools and of new tools, both bare tools and kits, in seconds, so you have the records you need to protect your investment. Now we're going to show you how to create records of existing tools. Sometimes tools have serial numbers, models, and brand names all in different locations. So with two photos, we want to make sure to capture those three things. Makita, for example, has the brand, the model, and the serial number all in one location on their faceplate. So when I take that faceplate image, that gives me all the information I need, meaning that when I take the tool image, I can take a picture of the tool. So if I go to Add Tool and I select Full Tool Image, I can take a picture of the tool, and this will be the image that you see when you go to My Tools. Then it'll ask you for a nameplate photo. And on that nameplate photo, I want to make sure that I'm capturing the model, the brand, and the serial number, especially that serial number. And then it'll ask if I have a receipt. If you don't have a receipt, you don't need to worry about uploading a photo. It'll ask you if you want the cataloging service. We can finish that record for you, or you can finish it yourself. At that point, we're just going to use Add Another Tool, and we're going to show you how to do a tool where the model and the serial number are in two different locations. So we hit save on that. We've just created one tool. Keep in mind that you'll want to come back and you want to get your batteries and your chargers all at the same time, because each battery has its own serial number. Okay, so now we're going to upload another tool. This time we're going to upload one where the serial number and the model are in different locations. So most of the tools, I'm not too worried about capturing the brand. I'm more worried about making sure I have the model and the serial number. You could pretty much tell the brand just by the color of the tool. So we're going to start with the full photo image, and on this one we're going to make sure we capture the model. The reason we do that is because if you log into My Tools and you want to edit that tool, using the drop-down menu between the brand and the model autofills the rest of the information off that tool. It'll tell you the tool type, the description, everything else. So capturing the brand and the model in those images is the most important thing. Now the serial number's on the bottom of this one. So there you have it. And now we just created another record. The cool thing is, because we know the brand, the model, the serial number, and your account is run off your account starts with your email address, anytime somebody searches our database, we've essentially added a virtual name tag to that tool, because we know if that brand, model, and serial number is a unique identifier and somebody checks it from a pawn shop, from law enforcement, we know it belongs to you, and now we have instant notifications that we can use to communicate the status of your tool if it goes missing. So I hope that helps.